Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish pastil. Start by rinsing and patting fish dry, then flake into small pieces and set aside while you prepare the rice wrapper batter. Mix garlic, onion, salt, and a hint of brown sugar, then sauté briefly until fragrant. Fold fish into the cooled filling, portion onto wrappers, and steam until wrappers become translucent and tender for a perfect pastil. Trim any bones and flake the fish finely to create an even filling texture that holds together. Keep aromatics light and aromatic. Overcooking will dry the fish and dull the flavors. Combine coconut milk, a dash of fish sauce, and a pinch of brown sugar to create a balanced filling that complements the rice wrapper. Then cool the filling completely before assembling to prevent soggy pastil. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support more cooking guides. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes and cookbooks while you steam or rest your pastil, with a glare-free screen and long battery life that fits in a kitchen drawer. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if it helps you cook more comfortably. Now let's get back to the video. Spoon moderate portions of filling onto cooled rice wrappers and fold neatly to seal edges without tearing. Arrange pastil in a single layer in a steamer lined with banana leaf or parchment for easy removal. Steam gently until wrappers turn translucent and slightly glossy, then rest briefly before serving so juices redistribute and the texture firms up for easy handling and perfect bites.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.